second up, it's thrown up.
Sometimes I have to be a bit careful. You never know who's entering my personal private property. What?
You're not funny, you know?
Mariana. Okay, what's going on, babe?
Okay. I'm pregnant.
What? How? This can't be happening, Mariana.
I know, but it's happening.
It's just easy fair. You know, my life is just starting. How can you be so careless?
Careless, Ranganai.
Yes! This is all your fault. Don't worry, careful. This number will be at a pinda mess. We should do an abortion.
No, absolutely not. I'm keeping this child.
You want this child?
I'm keeping it.
What about me? Why are you so selfish? You're not even thinking future you wanna you kinda young.
Ranga, I'm thinking about this child's future. And I am not going to sentence it to non-existence and someone in.
What about me? Are you even considering my feelings?
You're not considering the life that I'm carrying inside of me.
I'm not ready for this.
Oh no, be a man. You did this. Watukura so power, you're going to take responsibility of this child.
I'm not ready to be a father.
Ko kambopo nini ne wacho chance. Timbopo mwana wedu openyu. Ranga, I want you to be a father. I want you to be my husband.
Look, you know I'm very young to be a father or husband. And you ndiwe muombe and waiziva kuti zvendoko hazvichasvika.
That's not fair, Ranga. I love you.
Love? This isn't love. Mariana, you're trapping me.
Ranga, please.
We are 15 years apart. Vanhu vachati chi? Mwana tinomudza kuti chi?
Ranga, if you are willing, we can make this work. Huh? Kana iye mwana wacho anosvika pakutozvinzwisisa one. We are in this together. You are not alone, Daddy.
I'm unemployed. I'm broke.
We can work things out together. It's a family. Right?
Okay. So, Tomutan.
Mariranga.
Now, what language is this?
Mariana. Ranga nai.
Oh. Oh. Okay, cool. Kanarimskana.
The name is unisex. Come on.
Wait.
Zika iwe unoziva zvose izvo zvondinishuvira iye ane maziruro iyayo ini ndotadza kutsanangura ose ipapo panosvika inini